I miss you mga basketball. That's why I'm back. Alright. So, another unboxing today. Same day. Alright. This is Jordan 1 Low Summer Edition 2025. Let's do it, mga basketball. Alright, look at this, mga basketball. Look, ang ganda ng nila, yung papel, right? Summer na summer. Okay. Here we go, mga basketball. Okay, so siguro naman all of you will agree with me. Look at this, mga basketball. So pristine, right? Talagang summer na summer yung kulay niya. Okay? Ang ganda ng outer sole niya. It's a translucent, right? Then also, yung shoelace niya. Look. I don't know what color. Is this like a light yellow or something, right? Pero ang ganda ng leather po niya. Okay? So, ang linis. Talagang pang summer na summer. Yung light po lang yung kulay niya. Okay? So, I think a lot of you will like this Jordan 1 Low. So, hindi ko po siya nasuot this summer. Magpupol na po. Maybe next summer. Okay? So, ang ganda po niya. Jordan 1 Low Summer Edition. SE. Special Edition or Summer Edition. Kahit ano pong gusto nyo. Okay? Nagustuhan ko po yung kulay niya. Right? Kung sa kawan, napaka-linaw lang po sa mata. Talagang summer na summer. Alright. Of course, Jumpman logo. Right? The Jordan 1 Wings logo. Right? Okay. Thank you very much, mga basketball. Again, see you whenever.